A little bit less useful in my class and less common are the words only if and sufficient and necessary. These words will represent conditional statements, and as you can see in the first definition, saying P only if Q means if not Q, then not P. In other terms, if you simplify the expression, saying P only if Q is the same thing as saying P implies Q. Be careful, because if the word only is not there, then the sentence would be P if Q, and that represents a completely different conditional statement. As you can see right here, P if Q means Q is the hypothesis and P is the conclusion. Whereas saying P only if Q means that P is going to be the hypothesis and Q is going to be the conclusion. So the order does not change. It stays pretty much the same. So that's for the words only if. What about the other word? What about sufficient and necessary? Again, saying that P is a sufficient condition for Q means P implies Q. So again, P is the hypothesis, Q is the conclusion. And finally, if I say, or if you hear the words P is a necessary condition for Q, we are saying that if not P, then not Q. So again, like I said, these are a little bit less common. I don't tend to use them very often. I try to stick with the if then regular conditional, but there are homework assignments or other theorems or other instructors that love these things, so it's a good idea to know them.